Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So there is one important update with regard to due date of filing of Form 67. As you may be aware that Form 67 is required to be filed by those resident assessees who have foreign income during the year and also paid taxes abroad and they want to claim such foreign tax credit here in India. फॉर्म 67 उन करदाताओं को फाइल करना पड़ता है जिनकी ड्यूरिंग द ईयर फॉरेन में कुछ इनकम हुई हो और उस पे उन्होंने वहाँ टैक्स पे किया हो और उस टैक्स की क्रेडिट यहाँ इंडिया के इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न में वो अवेल करना चाहते हो. Up till now, Form 67 was required to be filed on or before filing of return of income. But on 18th August, CBDT came with a notification, and according to this notification, now Form 67 can be filed before the end of the assessment year instead of before filing of return of income. So इस नोटिफिकेशन के जरिए बेसिकली CBDT ने करदाताओं को रिलीफ प्रोवाइड की है कि फॉर्म 67 वो बिफोर द एंड ऑफ द असेसमेंट ईयर कभी भी फाइल कर सकता है, रिटर्न से पहले फाइल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. The statement in Form 67 referred in Clause 1 of Subrule 8 and the certificate or the statement referred in Clause 2 or Subrule 8 shall be furnished on or before end of the assessment year relevant to the previous year in which income referred in Subrule 1 has been offered to or assessed to tax in India and the return of such assessment year has been furnished within the time specified under subsection 1 or subsection 4 of 139. यानी पहले वही टैक्स पेयर फॉर्म 67 के जरिए फॉरेन टैक्स क्रेडिट क्लेम कर सकते थे जो ओरिजिनल रिटर्न टाइम पे भरे 139(1) की ड्यू डेट से पहले भरे. अब 139(4) के रिटर्न को भी इसमें इंक्लूड कर लिया है. बिलेटेड रिटर्न आप भरे तो भी आप फॉर्म 67 के जरिए FTC क्लेम कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ रियली वेलकमिंग स्टेप provided that where the return has been furnished under subsection 8A of 139, the statement in Form 67 referred to the extent it relates to the income included in the updated return shall be furnished on or before the date on which such return is furnished. This proviso talks about updated return. If income which relates to updated return, then such Form 67 is needed to be filed on or before filing of this kind of updated return. Explanatory memorandum. This amendment it is effective from the first day of April 2022 so that it applies to all the claims of foreign tax credit furnished during the financial year 22-23. It is hereby certified that no person is being adversely affected by giving retrospective effect to this rule. So according to the explanatory memorandum, it applies to all the claims of FTC furnished during the financial year 22-23. So of course, financial year 22-23, which is the current FY, we would furnish Form 67 related to the previous year 21-22, which can now up to file 31st March 2023 instead 31st July or 31st October, which was the due date for filing of return of income for non-audit and audit case of assessees. So for the previous year 21-22 of taxpayers 31st March 2023 तक अपना फॉर्म 67 फाइल करके FTC क्लेम कर सकते हैं. जिनकी ड्यू डेट 31 जुलाई में एंड भी हो गई है और शायद फॉर्म 67 छूट गया है तो भी वो बिफोर द एंड ऑफ द असेसमेंट ईयर फाइल करके आराम से FTC क्लेम कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ रियली वेलकमिंग स्टेप बट एज अ गुड गवर्नेंस compliance procedure, it is always advisable to file Form 67 on or before filing of return of income. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.